Okay children, today we are going to end this chapter lesson number 13 symmetry by completing our exercise 13.3. It's so simple and now you are very well versed with the sums how to solve in it. Okay, I proceed with question number 1 on page 271 of your textbook. Find the number of lines of symmetry in each of the following shapes and check how will you check your answers. Now this figures are given and you have to check how many lines of symmetry is possible in the following shapes. So now you can see a star is given here, a kind of star shape is given here. How many lines are possible symmetry? Dividing shape into equal parts. Here 4 lines of symmetry is possible. This is first one, as you can see. This is second one, a line of symmetry. This is third one, drawn a line of symmetry, and this is fourth line of symmetry. So in A shape 4 lines of symmetry is possible. Sum number B. Here a Christmas tree is given. Here only one single line of symmetry is possible because a single line only divides a tree into 2 equal parts. Option C, 2 squares are given. Here 2 lines of symmetry are possible. One that cuts exactly figure into 2 equal parts, as you can see here, the scale I had kept here, and one in between the 2 squares where they are joined, right? Okay, now coming on to figure number D on page 272. D, E and F. D, you can check it out. They had given a symbol, blue line symbol they already had given in between the shape that divides a figure into 2 equal parts. But besides that, vertical line also of symmetry is possible, as you can check it out here. This is vertical line of symmetry and this is horizontal line of symmetry. So here also the figure has 2 lines of symmetry. Now a kind of butterfly or an insect is given. How you can divide that into a line of symmetry? There is only a one or a single line of symmetry which divides an insect into 2 equal parts, right? And the last one is an arrow given here. So now here how many lines of symmetry are possible? Again here 2 lines of symmetry are possible. First is a vertical line as I shown here, and second is a horizontal line of symmetry where I had again kept a scale. So 2 lines of symmetry is possible in option F of question number 1. Now the question 2 will be your homework that you have to continue in your textbook itself on page 272.